waa kana ani iyo Sizinga madax washka maxana kala qabsaday filimka soo wadno soo ekaan doona insha Allah
Okay, Somali on yes, hello my lovers, my fans in Somalia. These are my friends. These are your sons from Somalia. We are here in Uganda. We are comedians. I'm happy to be with the Somali comedians. These are young Somalis in Uganda. We are going to do films, everything, everything. I love you guys.
Listen, wait. I want to ask you a question.
Yes.
How do you see those people to meet today?
These guys are good. They are good. You look at their faces. They are good. They are going to give you something.
Zizinga, how do you get those people? How? Zizinga.
Guys, I'm so happy to meet this kind of